Hi everyone, I'm back with another collective consciousness energy update, and this is pretty massive to tell you that this is something that I have been gifted with. I don't know where I picked it up from, maybe in some past life. It's just a clear cognizance that I have that I just go into a state of flow and create an artwork that gives me an update about the collective consciousness. So, this is the recent update, and I feel that this energetic update is going to really last a while. By that, what I mean is that from the month of November 2024 to probably end of next year, which is 2025, and for some people even the beginning of 2026. So the way that I see it, that it is making up like 5 quarters of say 3 months each. So November, December, Jan, and then probably until next January, February, March, sort of that time. Whenever my math is really bad, so whenever the 5 quarters are getting done with, is the time period that this energy is going to linger. It is only beginning and surfacing right now for uh, the collective, but it's going to last. Yeah, by the time that it's almost ending, it would create a lot of destruction, and only for construction to surface. So by collective, what I mean is that whoever is coming to the awareness of this, or whoever is watching this reading, is definitely going to be a part of this collective, who is consciously in full awareness going to experience this. So if you're one of that collective, then yeah, just like take it to the best of your strides, whatever this energy update is going to tell you. And I hope that this coming to your awareness is of course going to be helpful for you in some way or the other, just to help your mind sort of navigate the waters in the coming times, because I see the floodgates opening up with the blue. I definitely see like a fish. I definitely see like a fish which is emerging from the unity consciousness as the floodgates open, and this fish is very directed from this space of sense power and wanting sense dominance, is moving and headed towards that power and dominance to be created. And I feel like the floodgates opening up are the floodgates of um, the dominance that is going to be rising in the collective. By dominance, that I definitely can sense the dominance in terms of power, a lot of power play. Maybe on the planet there'll be a lot of power play, a lot of destruction in the name of power play. It is also going to create massive floods. By floods, I feel waves of emotions that will rise across the planet. And the energies are very heavy, very destructive. Um, it is definitely going to, for some, cursor a rise in awareness from the space of um, becoming aware of the external chaos, and asking questions about as to why this is surfacing, to become more mindful and more aware of the agendas of uh, power play, agendas of creating an emotional flood, um, by opening the gates for this power to take, I don't know, like to sort of rise, or to create a surge. I definitely feel with the unity consciousness and one consciousness how it is very, very symmetrical, and which is very structured, which is telling me that there is there is definitely a reason behind this happening, because there is a sense construction that in the blueprints the unity consciousness has created that needs to be replicated in the sense dualistic world. So the silver lining here is that this is the blueprint, this is how the plan has been made, um, so that duality can go through a process of construction after destruction. So I definitely see a lot of fear surfacing as the floodgates open and a lot of emotions rise. I feel people finding it hard to figure their identity out. Where does their identity lie? I definitely see uh, very, very less uh, cosmic play by the divine actually stepping in forefront, wisdom going for a toss. It's basically like divine is like, oh, you play, I'm gonna watch. You destroy, and I'm just gonna sit in the back seat and just watch until it's my time to step in. So at this point of time, I see the heart of the world being crushed because of this uh, power play. And definitely see that there are some amongst the rest who are still connected to this heart and are going to be prepared to create a surge of love when it's needed, but that's only going to be around the last quarter. Until then, for those of for those people, it's just preparation time. Um, I can definitely see the polarity here, the way that the structure has been actually made by the one consciousness, and the way that it appears in the duality. It is pure power play, it is pure uh, the there's an essence of creative forces being misused in the name of power also. For people personally, I want to categorize people in three sects of the world. So maybe an entire collective on the planet can be split up into I see one, two, three, four, five halves. Like yeah, five parts. Again, as five quarters, five parts. I see some being at the very core of this all, um, facing multiple turmoils, multiple emotions, sense of fear, um, no sense of perception, um, no sense of survival, no sense of stability, a lot of pain, um, a lot of submissiveness, lack of um, no confidence as to stand up, say something, do something. Yeah. And then I see two sects of the society where one of them are working in a way with the other half, in sort of a mirroring reality, to actually give birth to a new sect of people which are going to be the one which give rise to this structure all over again and start the construction. So these two sects of people are coming together to collaborate and create like one common sect here. The other two sects, which are the ones which are sort of emerging from the center sect, the ones who are really, really suffering and are really going through the turmoil and emotions, are the ones from who these other two sects are going to go in this space of division. They are going to emerge from this space. Half of them are going to become a part of this voice, half of each of them are going to become a part of this voice of destruction, uh, because they see no choice. They see that we don't want to feel these feelings, we don't want to stay the victims, we don't want to be a part of these two gangs either, which are collaborating here. We find no space. So we'd rather become a part of the destruction here firsthand. Um, so yeah, I definitely feel that there's a lot that is coming, a lot that is happening, but seeing the one consciousness blueprint, I definitely feel like the frequency that is being set in place has a lot of divine intervention, the divine coming firsthand to sort of create create a reality which has power play, but the power is the power of the divine and not the power of dominance here that we see, that is creating chaos. This power from the space of divine is creating a structure that is the most um, organized to to uplift those who have no sense stability and lots of sense fear, and backed by the ones who know who they really are, as a part of this one consciousness. So yeah, this is definitely what I see in terms of the energy update for the next 5 quarters. I really hope that actually I have nothing to say, to be honest. I just feel that one message that I would like to give out to all those who are a part of this sex, which are the supporting sex, the one who can provide from the space of already knowing the space of the blueprint, to really prepare well, uh, really step into the space of patriotism, patriotism for the planet, not only for your countries. Once you step into the space of patriotism for the planet, countries, states, cities, your localities all become a part of it. Step into the space of leadership, leadership from the sense of being visionaries, visionaries who are not shy of um, originality, um, originality or innovation, from a space of leading movements, movements that matter. Every step of that movement, even though is in the opposite direction of this humongous destructive energy, still go for it. Just go for it. That's how movements really work. So yeah, wishing you lots of love and lots of light. Bye.